In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enter and pay a bill in QuickBooks Online. This is a simple process that you can complete in just a few minutes, and it will help you keep your business finances organized and up to date. So let's dive right in. First, let's start by signing into QuickBooks Online. Go ahead and click on the sign in button, which will direct you to the login page. Choose QuickBooks Online from the available options to proceed. Now simply type in your credentials, that's your username and password. Once you have done that, continue by clicking on the continue button. With you now logged into QuickBooks Online, it's time to get started with entering your bill. Look for the plus new button, which is usually located on the left hand side of the screen. Selecting this button will open a menu of options. From that menu, choose Bill. This is where we'll start entering the details of the bill you received. At the top of the bill screen, you'll find a drop-down menu labeled Vendor. This is where you can select the vendor associated with the bill. It's important to ensure you're selecting the correct vendor from the list, as this affects your financial records and reporting. Just below, there's another drop-down labeled Terms. This defines the payment terms for your bill, which could be anything from net 30 to net 60, depending on your agreement with the vendor. Next, enter the bill date. This is the date that's shown on the bill you received. Directly beside it, you'll input the due date, which indicates when payment should be made to avoid any late fees. Also, don't forget to note the bill no, which is usually found on the vendor's bill. Having these pieces of information ensures that both you and the vendor can track the bill accurately. Now it's time to enter the bill details. Scroll down to the section labeled Category Details and fill in the description of the goods or services that this bill covers. Make sure this information is as clear and accurate as possible. This is essential for accurate bookkeeping and auditing. Finally, input the amount of the bill along with any applicable tax. Accurate entry of these amounts is crucial to maintaining the integrity of your financial statements. Once all fields are filled out, it's time to wrap up this process. Click Save and Close to record the bill in QuickBooks. If this bill involves expenses that you'll later bill to a customer, there is a handy feature for you. Look for the billable checkbox in the form. Selecting this will make the billable amount appear in the customer field, where you can enter the respective customer's name. And there you have it, those are the steps to enter and pay a bill using QuickBooks Online. Just by following these steps, you ensure that your finances remain precise and up to date, making financial management a smoother process for your business. Thanks for watching, and remember to hit the subscribe button for more helpful tips and tutorials.